it is, but there's definitely something out there. Little ones at it. They're going at something. Okay, it's horse riders. I knew they were coming. Start the case because we got some new straw. To come back. You did come back, didn't you? You said, I came back, Mama. Yes, you did. Hi, girl. Hi, sweet girl. You see those horse people out there? Yeah. Zach's getting crazy. Zach's getting crazy. Yeah, I know. That's why I was recording you. He's still out there going at it. What do you smell? You smell those puppies? Addie's out there. You're a good girl too. Yeah, Mama's big girl. Here comes Addie. She's coming. Hi, girl. Yeah, they know Mama's here now. Here comes Axel. Come, boy, come. Hi, Addie. Get them people. Did you get them people? Yes, you did, didn't you? Yeah, you said, hi, I live here, didn't you? You said, hi, I live here. This is where I live. This is my house. Yeah, this is my house. Oh, yeah, you missed your mama, didn't you? Oh, yeah, girl. Looks like Layla's trying to come in. Axel's standing in the water now. There you go, Axel. I see you. I see you. Yeah, I know. He's doing it. There's Layla. She's like, I think I gotta go to the bathroom first. Ginger, you're a good girl. You see, Addie. You need brush, girl. We gotta brush you. Puppies are checking you out. They said, hi, Aunt Addie. You like them puppies? You like them puppies? Yeah, they're good. They're good. Hi, Axel. Hi, Big Axel. Hi, Big Axel. Did you get them horse riders? Huh? Did you get them? Did you tell them I'm a king boss here? You tell them I'm a king boss here? Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Yeah. You did good. Good, you did. You did good. Did you get you a drink? Yeah. Come here. Is that a tick? This one down here. Like, where you going, Pops? You need brush too. I see you're shedding. What do you think, Ginger? What do you think, girl? Think they're gonna come back? You think they're gonna come back? Huh? You think those horse riders will come back, huh, girl? Yeah. Hi. You like standing underneath the wheelbarrow where you get shaded, don't you? Oh, I see eggs. Are you in there getting eggs? Or are you getting the chicken? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, huh? You get your belly? You get your belly? Ooh. What are you doing? What are you doing? You chasing chicken? They all came out and they were chasing the chicken. Or they were just all coming out. She happened to be going this way. What are you all doing? What are you all doing, huh?